If you have an allergy or you simply can't eat dairy products, you should know how to say I can't eat dairy product in Korean. Let's get started. 안녕하세요. I'm Julian Kim, a certified Korean teacher. Today, I'm going to explore the use of 못 in Korean. The word of the day, 못. To express 못 in Korean, simply add the word 못 before the verb. The verb 먹다 means to eat. However, this is its dictionary form. We don't use it in this form in real-life conversations. Instead, we should add verb ending. Let's start with 어요, 아요 ending. 먹어요, 먹어요, 먹어요 means I eat. This form indicates the polite speech because of the 요. Now, let's put 못 in front of 먹어요. 못 먹어요. 못 먹어요. 못 먹어요. Correct. It means I can't eat. Did you notice the sound 못 changes to 몬? When 못 means to 미음, the sound changes. What is dairy product in Korean? The word for dairy product is 유제품. 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 We add 을 or 를 after a noun to indicate a direct object. So 유제품 becomes 유제품을, 유제품을, 유제품을. Can you put all the words into a sentence? 유제품을 못 먹어요. 유제품을 못 먹어요. 유제품을 못 먹어요. But where's the subject? While it's common to omit the subject in Korean language, if you want to form a full sentence, just add 저는. 저 is a polite way to say I. So the sentence becomes 저는 유제품을 못 먹어요. 저는 유제품을 못 먹어요. 저는 유제품을 못 먹어요. 저는 유제품을 못 먹어요. Let's learn some variations. I can't eat meat. 저는 고기를 못 먹어요. 저는 고기를 못 먹어요. I can't eat pork. 저는 돼지고기를 못 먹어요. 저는 돼지고기를 못 먹어요. 저는 돼지고기를 못 먹어요. I can't eat spicy food. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요. 저는 매운 음식을 못 먹어요. I can't drink alcohol. 저는 술을 못 마셔요. 저는 술을 못 마셔요. 저는 술을 못 마셔요. I can't drive. 저는 운전을 못해요. 저는 운전을 못해요. 저는 운전을 못해요. 저는 운전을 못해요. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know comment below. Keep practicing. Enjoy learning.